Hi, in this video we will see how we can delete multiple cell data altogether. It is very simple and easy. So at first we need to open the desired Excel sheet or Excel file from where we want to delete multiple cell data in Excel file. So for example, this is a student information table, and here we are seeing there are a couple of rows of record are there, and we want to delete everything from the gender column. So here we are seeing the gender column. It is filled by different types of data like male or female. This type of data it is filled up. We want to clean entire column data using some shortcut method. It is very simple and easy. Again, I am telling. So what we need to do, at first we need to select those cells from where we want to delete everything. I am going to select all the cells by holding the control key and by clicking, or by selecting through the mouse, and then we have to click on home ribbon. So once we click home, on the right side we'll find one button is there like find or replace, something like that. We need to click this button. Once we click there, a menu will be popped up. From here we have to choose replace this option. I'm going to select this thing, and once we select the replace, a new window will be appeared. Here there will be two options, I mean two fields will be there. One is the search string, and that is the replace word. In the first text box, basically we want to select what type of text we want to replace, but here there are different types of letter or number. So the easy way to select all of them is by using on character, which is called asterisk. So we just need to type asterisk, and the other field we can make it empty because we don't want to put anything. And the down there are a couple of buttons are there. One of the button is replace all. We are going to click this button because we want to replace everything with empty space or nothing. So I am going to click this button, and then it prompt this type of alert box, alert message basically. That means it replaced those text with empty things. So and finally we can close this alert type of window, and then we will see that in the column of gender there is no data. So in this way we can easily delete multiple cell data in Excel in on single shot. Thank you for watching the video.